Hi there. So today I'm going to show you how to add a custom font to your Squarespace website. So Squarespace recently added a new feature to add custom fonts that's much more simple than the previous method. And the previous method, you had to know CSS and you had to kind of do it on the back end. Whereas now there's no coding required. You can upload it simply through your site styles panel. And that said, adding a custom font to your website is one way to give it a really cohesive feeling for your brand, infuse your branding into your site. If you start with a Squarespace website template that's just from Squarespace, it's going to have one of their default font packs. And while they do have a good selection, it's gotten more and more robust collection of fonts over the years. Adding your unique font that's unique to your brand that may or may not be inherent to Squarespace is going to be a way to make your website stand out and really give it that next level professional feeling that you all want. So you're going to click Site Styles here, and you're going to head over to Fonts. From there, you're going to start by choosing the font you want to have be custom. So let's say you're going to change the headings to have a custom brand font that's not in Squarespace. Now, this is going to be the same no matter what. So if you're changing the paragraph font, just click paragraph and it'll be the same process as if you're going to change the headings. So I'm going to click headings. And then I'm going to click the actual font here. And this is where you're going to see all the fonts that are here. You can see that we've already uploaded a font here. And where you're going to go is to this upload button right here. And then you are going to upload your font here by clicking plus and then choosing one on your computer, making sure it's the right format. I am going to just Google one on my computer here. So let's see, I'll do a distinct one so we can see the example. So let's do this one called Alex Brush. I'm going to click that one. I'm going to click open. I'm going to give it a second to upload. And once that uploads, you'll see it's listed there and you can go back here, click out of that. And so now you'll want to actually set the heading to be the font that you just uploaded. So you just uploaded it. Now we're going to change it. We're going to click the font again. And now you're going to see it's called Alex Brush and it's here under the uploaded font. I'm going to click that. That's going to change the headings to Alex Brush. And then we'll need to add a font block to show that. So I'm going to click add block here just as an example. And let's move this over here so we can see headline here. And so let's see, I'm going to change this to heading 1 and you're going to see that it's in the font that I just uploaded. So that's how you add a custom font. The same process would be the process would be the same for a paragraph font. You would just set it to your paragraph style and assign the style in your site styles panel. I'm going to delete that. So yes, please let us know if you have questions on that, but this is a new, much more simple way to add a custom brand font to your Squarespace website.